Today, I'm showing you how to install Audacity. It's one of the most popular free audio editing tools. So the first step that you want to do is go to the official website. And to do this, you simply have to search up Audacity. Searching it up will lead you onto this page right over here. And so on here, you're looking for Audacity right here. And to make sure it's not an advertisement or something you don't want to see, make sure it's audacityteam.org. But after you find that, go ahead and click on it. This will then open up its official page. And don't worry, you don't have to sign up or anything. All you have to do is go right over here where it says download Audacity. This version might change depending on what version is out at that time. But keep in mind, this is for Windows in specific. If you're on any other thing, you would have to select Mac or Linux, as you can find just going through the page. But for this tutorial, we're on Windows, so we're going to be clicking the Windows one. And as you can see, it installs right into here. I've already installed it once, which is why the 1 is there, but for you, it probably isn't there. All you have to do is click it. Hit yes. And all of a sudden, it begins to install Audacity. So obviously for me, I already have it installed. So once this is completed, it'll basically say that Audacity is installed and you're good to go. We're going to go ahead and end task really quick, but for your end, just let it install. After that's completed, you'll be able to open up Audacity just like this. Hit the Windows key, search up Audacity, and there you have it. All of a sudden, you'll see it popped up and ready for use. There we go, click X and boom. As you can see, you can now do whatever you want, record your audio or whatever you want to use it for. If this tutorial helped, consider subscribing. Thanks.